Hi guys, Techalizer here. Been on a break. I fell into the trap again of not posting. We also have some heat waves. It's, been on vacation. It's one of those periods where you just don't feel like doing anything much. But anyway, gotta keep going. Gotta show YouTube that I'm not a lazy ass again. Just a quick tip now for a solution. What you can do to mark up a hole that you need to drill from the other side. So what I'm doing here, I have this car armrest, and it's pretty cheap. The metal foot for it is incredibly thin metal, and it just crumbles under the weight of your arm. If you lean up against it for a few times, it just goes it just crumbles like a piece of paper. Now don't laugh about all this mess here, because I'm going to cover this food up. I'm gonna cover it up with some I'm not sure yet, I guess black carpet, like we kind of have on the floor in the car, just to match up, or something like that, some kind of thick textile thing to be wrapped all around the leg, for some nice looks. Or I don't know if I think about something else, but anyway, I don't want to let all this mess on the loose like this. Though I think I'm gonna have to, at least part of it, for the handbrake. That is one thing I haven't thought about when I put this in the middle here, if I'm gonna be. But given that it comes from behind, I think it should be alright. Yeah, I don't know, I need to see it on the car. Anyway, the thing is, I have these pieces of they're actually some old shields from a door I use, because they're pretty stiff metal. I'm trying to make these side panels a lot stiffer, trying to force them to keep the same distance between them and prevent them from bending. There's only so much I can do with the limited materials I have. I don't really have not the mood nor the money to go out and buy stuff to make this look nice, but with the stuff I have, it works, and given the fact that this is how it looks from the side, so there's not much harm done. And as I said, I'm gonna cover it up anyway, so bear with me. I have these pieces of metal, and obviously all the work is done on the inside, as you can see here, kind of like building like one of those how are they called, trussing frames, maybe, like they're using cranes and stuff. It all goes on the inside in triangles and diagonals and stuff to make stuff rigid. And obviously I need to drill some holes for the screws, because this thing has holes, but obviously not where I need them to be for this purpose. So given the fact that everything is on the inside, I mark up the holes on the inside, but then obviously if I hold the camera like this, I can't drill them like this. I need some space to drill perpendicularly to the surface, because it just doesn't work. The drill just walks on the surface of the metal. You don't get to drill in the spot you want to. What I do, I use a marker to mark up the hole on the inside, and take the metal out. Say it's this one, take it out, and then by just eyeballing it, and actually it turns out pretty well by eyeballing it. I use the two axes, the vertical axis like this, and the horizontal. I just look straight from above, keep my marker on the other side and just draw a vertical line where I drew the hole on the other side. And then on this side I'm going to have a marking like this one here. You can see on the, if I get it right at an angle, this vertical line where the screw is, and it means along this line the hole must be placed. And then again I do the same thing for the horizontal axis. I look this time this way and see where the hole is and mark with a line, and then you just end up with two lines on the other side that meet, and where the line meets, gotta reset myself, where the lines meet, that is where the hole is. And it's actually so precise, I don't even need any tool for this. You might need some kind of ruler or you know, measuring tape if you're doing something that needs really high precision. At this point for this thing, just being a couple of millimeters off is no big deal. It's the same thing, you just need to have those plates on the inside. Anyway, that's a quick tip for drilling holes where you want them to when you don't have access from the inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with probably a more interesting video than this. See ya!